So if you're interested in being a little bit more stylish, you are going to love today's video because a lot of guys overthink it, right? We think we got to wear the best shoes, the best clothes, right? When the truth is that there's some simple, easy things that you can do to instantly look more stylish that I'm going to share with you today. Number one is wear all black, all right? All black is one of the quickest cheat codes out there in order to instantly look more stylish, sexier, taller, leaner, and did I mention super sexy? Number two is brown shoes, all right? Notice I'm wearing brown shoes with a black outfit. Now, most dudes would go like, what are you doing? 99% of dudes wear black shoes, right? Black shoes with black shoes with gray, black shoes with navy, because they think, oh, black's safe, right? The truth is, it is safe. It does work, but not as well, in my opinion, as brown. Charcoal gray suit, brown shoes, amazing. Navy blue with brown shoes, next level. Brown also looks sexy as hell with your lighter grays. Now, not to say that black doesn't match, but brown is better. Which brings me to the next simple way, and that is use your suit pants as slacks and combine it with a simple polo, non-striped, solid color, or a higher quality simple t-shirt. Check it out, right? Quick, easy, simple way to look more stylish. I took my slacks, right? And then I combined it with the simple, high quality t-shirt and I tucked the t-shirt in. Now, a few other things with these pants I just want to point out that will instantly take your style to the next level. Instead of wearing a belt, right? Look for slacks that don't have any belt loops, all right? Side adjuster tabs, in my opinion, are another quick and easy thing that you can actually look for that will instantly elevate the aesthetic and the style of your outfit. Suede. Suede is also another amazing option in terms of footwear, whether or not it's sneakers, boots, or shoes, in order to instantly boost your aesthetic, not to mention your style. All right, few other things, right? Flat front pants, all right? If you're wearing pleated khakis or any type of pleated pants, gentlemen, in my opinion, flat front is the way to go. It will instantly make you look better. In terms of shirts, instead of going with the standard fit, go with the slim fit or a more tapered look. Guys, it's all about reducing the amount of fabric, including on your pants, all right? If you're somebody that's wearing big baggy pants and you got a lot of extra room in the crotch, you've got a bunch of extra fabric puddling and pulling down around your ankle, the simple solution to look more stylish is go to the tailor, have them fixed. Another alteration I'd recommend is to have your pant leg tapered if you're wearing slacks, all right? Instead of them being big and boxy at the bottom. Your pants, they should fit, all right? If your booty is banging, you gotta show it off, gentlemen. Also, your chest, let it out of the jungle, all right? What I mean by that is don't button it up too high, all right? A lot of guys, a lot of dudes, a lot of guys that don't know any better are wearing their shirts way too buttoned. They also are wearing a visible undershirt, which automatically kills your style. Accessories is the next quick, stupidly simple way to elevate the aesthetic of an outfit, right? Because the truth is, anybody can wear a t-shirt, anybody can wear slacks. It's the accessories that really set you apart and allow you to express your individual style, right? In my opinion, a simple signet ring is a great accessory that any guy can wear. Earrings, not so much. A simple chain also, I think, looks great, but a must-have for every dude is a watch, right? Non-Apple Watch, which is actually the next thing we're going to talk about. If you instantly want to look more stylish, ditch the tech watches, all right? Invest in something that's a little bit higher quality, a little sexier like this. This is from the company Aura, and this is my new obsession. I am so fucking obsessed with this brand, all right? Check it out. Automatic, Japanese movement, right? It's got a sapphire crystal. It's made from super high quality stainless steel. It's got a butterfly clasp. So I first heard about this company Aura reading an article in Hypebeast. They interviewed the founder, right? And after reading that article, I was intrigued enough to actually go and check out their watches. I love them so much. I love the design. I love the aesthetic. I love the material and the quality of these watches. And then I saw the price. And that was the thing that I just couldn't get over. I feel like truly, once in a while, there comes a brand that truly changes the industry. And I feel like Aura is that company. These watches are so next level in terms of the construction, in terms of the material they're using, and in terms of the price, all right? What would you expect to pay for a watch of this high quality, right? With the automatic movement, you've got sapphire crystal, you've got a super premium stainless steel. What would you expect? $5,000, $8,000, under $300. Guys, it's so crazy. And there's a discount code, all right? Alpha M. If you use the discount code Alpha M, you got to go through my special link, all right? They're going to give you up to $100 off of an Aura watch. Check it out. The Skeleton Aura watch. You can see all of the movements, everything inside. It is so crazy sexy. Guys, these watches are fucking nuts. And the price, like I said, is insane. If you're interested, there's a link down below. You got to go through my special link. Use the discount code ALPHAM to get up to $100 off of an Aura watch. Guys, they've got a bunch of different designs. They've got a bunch of different colors in terms of the metals. You are going to love them as much as I do. Personally, I am a huge sucker for rose gold, absolutely rose gold, but the black is insane and the silver. The watch has just a very clean, simple, minimalist aesthetic, but it's rugged, it's manly, and the way that they've constructed these bracelets, they've just got this nice little like bling factor without being over the top. And like I said, it also has that super high quality butterfly clasp. The straps are also crazy next level in terms of quality. And check it out, right? I got this black one with the rose gold to pair with this one. Look at that. How sexy is that going to be? Gentlemen, truly doesn't get any sexier than these watches, in my opinion. They are just perfect. Guys, you are going to love them. The price, it's so insane, but don't wait, because I truly feel like these watches are going to go up in price because more people are starting to hear about them. They just launched in 2023 in terms of the brand, but they are blowing up. Guys, do not wait. These watches truly are going to change the watch game. Roll your sleeves properly. This is how stylish guys roll their sleeves. Ready? Check it out. Boom. You're going to pull up your sleeve to where it bends. Then you're going to take your hand, all right, you're going to tuck it underneath, and then with your thumb, you're basically going to tuck that sleeve inside of itself, all right? And what you're left with is a nice, clean, tight, aesthetic roll. Nice, clean, tight roll, sexy, as opposed to what I call the sloppy, worn out beaver. That's what these rolls look like to me, right? Like a worn out, like sloppy beaver. Next quick and easy trick to instantly look more stylish is boom, throw on a sexy pair of shades, gentlemen. Sunglasses are like the game-changing equalizer of style, sex appeal, and making your face look better, right? Sunglasses, when chosen properly, are going to make you look more refined, more dignified, more sexy, and definitely more stylish. Now, in terms of the most stylish pairs, you've got three options. You've got aviators, you've got wayfarers, and then you've got the clubmaster. All three of those designs elevate your style. Something that drops your style is a pair of flip-flops. All right, here's the deal. Gentlemen, footwear in the summer is a little questionable. A lot of dudes are like, what should I wear when I'm going to the beach? A nice pair. Now, gentlemen, here's the deal. Ditch that. Instead, go with something like this, right? A simple, clean pair of Birks. Now, you're thinking to yourself, wait a second, I thought Birkenstocks were just for lesbians. Just kidding. Everybody knows it's Subarus. A simple pair of Birkenstocks with shorts or jeans or some type of lightweight cotton pant in the summer, guys, is next level. Perfect. Speaking of perfect, the next way to instantly boost your style, gentlemen, is a simple pair of leather minimal sneakers, right? These have the gum sole, which in my opinion is a little bonus point, but the truth is a simple, clean pair of minimal sneakers is a great way to instantly elevate your aesthetic. You can rock them a lot of different ways. You can rock them with shorts, you can rock them with chinos, you can rock them with jeans. You can even rock them with a suit, which brings me to the next way to instantly be a little bit more stylish, and that is lapel selection. All right, the peak lapel, in my opinion, is the most stylish option as opposed to a notch lapel. Now, the notch lapel is very timeless, it's very classic, right? That's what you're gonna see the most of. But if you wanna go next level, go with the peak, right? The peak lapel is going to be a very strong structured jacket. It's gonna make your shoulders appear more broad and wide. It's also gonna instantly make you look more stylish. If you instantly wanna look better, more stylish, jack those sleeves up. It's also gonna make your arm look a lot bigger. It's all about exposing a little bit of that tricep action to make your arms look bigger. Now, if your shirts are too long, a simple solution is cuff them up once or twice. It is stylish, it is also acceptable. And the last thing is shorts. If your shorts are too long, you look like a dork. You gotta get them up, all right? I would say 2 to 3 inches above your knee. You can also cuff those up as well. Simply cuff your shorts up once or twice, right? To get them up a little bit. It's totally stylishly acceptable and you're gonna look a lot better. And the whole idea is that if your shorts are too long, it's gonna make your lower body look small. If they're big and baggy, it's gonna make your calves look super small. Gentlemen, it boils down to fit. The number one thing you can do that is quick, that is easy, that is simple to have a better aesthetic and look more stylish is wear clothing that fits your body properly.